Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by ensuring the system is ready. Save open files and close heavy apps. First, open Task Manager, find Windows Explorer and click Restart. This often restores the taskbar quickly because it relaunches the shell. Once done, verify display settings with Win+P and confirm you're on the right monitor or duplicate/extend mode. Also make sure pending Windows updates aren't blocking UI elements. If updates are queued, install them and restart so the shell initializes with current components. Next, dig into Settings and Background Services. Open Settings right arrow Personalization, right arrow Taskbar, and toggle Auto Hide, Lock, and Notification Area items to force a refresh. This triggers reevaluation of taskbar state. If that fails, ensure Shell Experience Host and Start Menu Experience Host processes are running or restart them via PowerShell. They control visual elements. As a precaution, back up the registry and inspect hkcu/software/Microsoft/Windows/current version/Explorer for corrupted values. Restoring defaults or removing problematic keys. Finally, perform repairs if UI components remain missing. Run sfc/scano to fix corrupted system files, then run dism/online/cleanupimage/restore health to repair the component store. Reboot after each. If the issue persists, create a new local user to determine if the profile is damaged. If the taskbar appears there, migrate your data. As a last resort use system, restore to a known good point or perform an in-place Windows repair upgrade to refresh system files.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.